Have you ever wondered how soap cleans your hands? Today, we're diving into the chemistry of soap and how it works to remove dirt and oils. Soap is made up of molecules called surfactants, which have two ends. One end is hydrophilic, meaning it loves water, and the other end is hydrophobic, meaning it repels water and loves oil. When you wash your hands with soap, the hydrophobic end of the soap molecule binds to the oils and dirt on your skin, while the hydrophilic end stays attracted to the water. As you scrub, these soap molecules surround the oil and dirt particles, forming tiny droplets called micelles. The hydrophilic ends point outward, allowing the micelles to be easily rinsed away by water. This process is what makes soap so effective. It breaks down and lifts away oils and dirt that water alone can't remove. So, the next time you wash your hands, remember it's the soap's chemistry at work, binding with both oil and water to leave you squeaky clean. Got more questions about everyday chemistry? Drop a comment and I'll explain it all.